I don't want you taking my son to church. The Bible is a book of fucking fairy tales. I won't tell you that shit again. Do it again, we got a problem, bitch.
Jesus is back. Jesus is back. I'm trying to tell these Muslims that Jesus is back. All eyes on him. You can picture him rolling. Got some brand new rims, but your spinners is worthless. At the church front row, your boy praying like race of the world, stacking the paper. But they added the haters. I'm screaming, Jesus is back. Jesus is back. I'm trying to tell these hustlers that Jesus is back. Jesus is back. I'm 6'6" strapped, rolling down and feeling this is not Iraq. Soon as I hit the hood, they screaming where God at. And when I slang them good news, yeah, they slanging it back. Pulled out the Hennessy, praying for all of my enemies. Sliding in the back, screaming G.O.D. I dropped the dime, told me like it was a snitching spree. Worship the Son of Mary, got your heart all froze. But you just don't know that your sin ain't funny, it's gonna cost to your soul. You can bend it like Beckham with bullets hitting the goal. When you see Jay Christ, your broken face don't pull. When you miss out on heaven, I can picture you screaming. Pockets look like they pregnant, but your spirit is steaming. You can spray your cologne, but you can't hide the stench of a hell-bound life. You need to repent. I'm screaming, Jesus is back. Jesus is back. I'm trying to tell these Muslims that Jesus is back. All eyes on him. You can picture him rolling. Got some brand new rims, but the spinners is worthless. At the church front row, your boy praying like crazy. The world stacking the paper, but they hated the haters. I'm screaming, Jesus is back.
I'm trapped in the fire. Can you hear my cries? This ain't no game. Look into my eyes.